Yo, what's up, DGens? I'm Norman, the crypto rapper, and today we're gonna see if Propbase or Props is a good investment or not. First of all, 90% of you watching are not subscribed, so help me get out the rat race. Subscribe. 1 like equals 10 views. You know the drill. Let's go. First of all, what the fuck is Propbase? Propbase is a real estate investment app with the real world assets tokenization. Meaning that, for example, if you want to buy a house, the house is $1 million and you don't have $1 million, but you still want to make money on the house, you can invest whatever you want via tokenization and earn revenue depending. Here they're putting 8 to 12% or 5 to 6. I don't know exactly if they have a fixed yield on their platform or if it's related to the growth in value of the real estate in question. So, what about the team? The team is doxed. So, in crypto, it's always a good sign. If we see the people working there, they have experience in real estate, especially in Thailand, because this project is focused on Thailand at the moment. We got Kevin Goose, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, which also has experience in real estate, which is a good sign. Team is docs, so we can get that out of the way. And another good sign, if we look at the tokenomics are not the best in my opinion. But what can you do? It's a real estate company. It's not a cryptocurrency. It's a crypto company, which you have to know the difference. If you don't know the difference, bro, wake up. And yeah, so we have the rewards, meaning that it's locked liquidity, plus the liquidity, and the rest, which is a little bit more than 50%, I guess, for private investors and the company. I guess that the company will use the money to expand. I hope so, and I think so, because I talked to them on Telegram and they look like responsible, professional people. So if you want to talk a little bit more about the project in itself, they had partnerships with Siamese Assets and the Azure Group, which are two of the biggest construction companies in Thailand, which means that it's not just a token, it's not just an app, it's real work behind it, meaning that they're taking this seriously. And you guys know that I am not particularly bullish on real world asset tokenization, but who believes in it? BlackRock, Mr. Larry Fink, which is the owner of the world, basically. They're the biggest asset manager in history. And if they say something, it's gonna happen, whether we like it or not, whether we want it or not. So let's take a look.
I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller.
So yeah, he said it. Now let's look at the crypto coin. The chart is looking healthy. It's not a pump and dump. You have to look at the chart on Maxi for further time frames, because this is like a level. It already went up, so looks stable to me. The market cap is 4 million, which makes it a micro cap. The diluted is 30 million, so it's pretty diluted, but not that much. Considering it's still micro cap is not bad. The exchanges, it's on PancakeSwap and Maxi, so very few exchanges, which is good, meaning that we are early in this, which This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm just a rapper after all. I talked to the team and they are planning on getting listed on as many central exchanges as possible to eventually end up on Binance and Coinbase, which is something that would hypothetically make us a lot of money if we invest in this. Now, not financial advice, I'm just a rapper. I personally invested in this and then I started talking to the team. So I'm not biased. I'm not paid to do this video. Just get that into your head. So if we want to make a price prediction, we can compare it. The market cap is 4.7 million. Let's say it's 5. If we can compare it to another competitor in the space, we can look at Real.io, which went to 15 million, 50 million market cap. So if we want to take a conservative approach, 50 million is a 10x. But in my degen opinion, this can go with a lot of listings, with good marketing, to 500 million, maybe 1 billion if the narrative of real world tokenization, real world asset tokenization takes on. So if the market cap is 500 million and the current one is 5 million, it's 100x. So in my opinion, personal, not financial advice, just a rapper opinion, it can at least 50x. Because we're early. Because the project is alive since not long ago. If we take a look at the roadmap, the IDO, July 10th. So the coin is pretty much alive from July 10th this year. So yeah, I think this is promising, and gamble responsibly, and have a good time.